Hello, we're now going to discuss planning of an IR project. So let's start with discussing why we actually need to invest in planning for an IR project. Well, to start with, we've seen enough projects which fail because of poor planning. And that's because planning serves many important purposes like guiding project execution, facilitating communication and ownership, record approved scope, cost, and schedules, and it also provides key information for reviewing project progress. So what are the activities within an IR project which we need to plan for? Well, we can actually organize these activities into 4 stages, which is designing, planning, implementing, and follow-up. During the design stage, we plan for activities like framing research questions, developing protocol, and obtaining funding. For the planning stage, we think of activities like organizing study team, establishing management procedures, and developing a monitoring plan. For the implementing stage, we should keep in mind activities like gaining approval, monitoring implementation, and communicating findings. While for the follow-up stage, we anticipate activities like documenting impact on policy or practice, planning further research, and closure of the project. Now that we've discussed the key activities to plan for, let's see what are the key elements of an IR project. There are at least 8 important elements here, starting with the project scope, in which we establish the project goals, objective, and deliverable, followed by timelines, and then planning for resource management, quality management, risk management, and communication, and then completed with a monitoring and evaluation plan. So that's the key elements. Now let's discuss some of the good practices in IR planning. First of all, documentation, because IR requires flexibility and adaptation, which needs to be well documented and monitored. IR also involves procedure which need to be complied for example, data collection procedure. So we need to ensure this through trainings of researcher. And then IR requires good infrastructure, so we need also to always try to build the capacity of the involved institutions and individuals. Last but not least, it's always crucial to invest in stakeholder engagement to facilitate implementation and optimize uptake. So that's all for this unit, and good luck in planning your IR project.